We break through technological barriers with innovation. We adopt green practices to realize China's dual carbon goals. We reshape the future of industrial air cooling systems with smart transformation. Let the world experience the power of Longhua. Longhua Heat Transfer. This is where China's first hybrid evaporative cooler was manufactured. It is also a major R&D and manufacturing hub for air-cooled heat exchangers. We are China's top provider of thermal energy solutions and equipment. Longhua Heat Transfer is an A-share listed company in China. We have been a leading manufacturer of cooling and heat transfer equipment for over 30 years in China. Our 330,000 square meter smart manufacturing facility houses 18 automated production lines and over 120 sets of smart equipment, including steel structure welding robots, pipe head welding robots, laser composite welding machines, and electron beam welding systems. Longhua also operates the largest and most advanced air-cooled finned tube manufacturing plant in Asia. Our 200-strong R&D team includes PhD graduates, professors, and senior engineers. We've contributed to the drafting of 13 national standards and hold over 300 technology patents. From R&D, design, manufacturing, sales to after-sales services, we deliver energy-efficient heat transfer solutions to industries worldwide, while aiming to build a smart and sustainable ecosystem for industrial cooling. As the world moves towards carbon neutrality and smart manufacturing, Longhua is setting new energy efficiency benchmarks for industrial cooling systems. We specialize in the R&D and manufacturing of 1,100 products, including air coolers, hybrid air coolers, air cooling islands, and closed-circuit cooling towers for the petroleum, coal chemical, power, and metallurgy industries. Air-cooled heat exchangers are industrial heat transfer equipment that use air to cool process fluids in the tubes. Air coolers are available in 3 types: forced draft, induced draft, and A-frame. The tube bundle of forced draft air coolers is placed on the discharge side of the fan. Forced draft air coolers are easy to maintain and inspect. It is ideal for high-temperature operations as its fan motors are always exposed to low-temperature conditions. The tube bundle of induced draft air coolers is located on the suction side of the fan. The fan shroud protects the finned tubes and reduces the impact of environmental factors on the equipment. A-frame air coolers are arranged in an A shape. This reduces pressure drop in the tubes. It is suitable for condensing steam from steam turbines. Direct air-cooled condenser systems use air as the cooling medium. It condenses exhaust steam from steam turbines into water and offers excellent heat transfer performance. Wet surface ACC. Energy-efficient and environmentally friendly wet surface air coolers use in-tube condensation and on-tube evaporation as its main heat exchange method. Evaporative coolers, condensers, are designed with a flexible structure to eliminate thermal stress. Advanced heat transfer mechanisms are used to enhance efficiency, while automatic control technologies, such as variable frequency drives, provide precise process control. The SIL series high-efficiency hybrid coolers, condensers, combine evaporative cooling, air cooling, and water cooling technologies to remove heat. It adapts to the heat load to manage latent heat and sensible heat for enhanced efficiency. This system can cut water use by half, decrease energy consumption by over 60%, and reduce equipment costs by over 20% in oil refining, power plant steam condensation, and circulating water cooling. Closed cooling towers are heat exchangers used for industrial circulating water cooling and fluid condensation systems. It can also be used with a compressor to condense high-temperature and high-pressure refrigerants into low-temperature liquid. Plate-type evaporative coolers use bubble-forming plates as the heat transfer element. Its irregular channels promote turbulent flow in the plates and tubes. The plates feature good ductility, freeze protection, and strong self-cleaning properties to prevent scaling. The gaps on the exterior of the plates allows easy maintenance, and the spray system facilitates uniform water distribution with high heat dissipation efficiency. Smart composite closed-circuit cooling towers combine the water-saving benefits of air-cooled heat transfer and efficiency of evaporative cooling. It saves water use even in high-temperature environments and features an anti-freeze mode. Its smart cooling control cuts water consumption by over 10% compared to other cooling systems. Our extensive product range meets all industrial cooling needs, ensuring efficient heat transfer and high performance. Longhua Heat Transfer has developed proprietary technologies for efficient cooling and smart condensation systems. We use thermal equipment, computational fluid dynamics, finite element analysis, and welding to simulate heat transfer efficiency, product selection, flow distribution, mechanical strength, fatigue life, and welding conditions. This allows us to optimize our designs and process parameters while providing rapid response within 24 hours to complex global needs. We have developed smart precision cooling systems to automate the entire cooling process and address long-standing technical bottlenecks in process industries. From standardized management to global services, Longhua connects the world with Chinese precision. The company maintains a rigorous quality control system in every process, from raw material inspection, manufacturing, finished product testing, to shipping. We have been designated as a National Center for Enterprise Technology, National Green Factory, National High-Tech Enterprise, and National Intellectual Property Exemplary Enterprise. Longhua has also been certified with ASME, ISO 3834 for welding of metallic materials, EN 1090 for fabrication and assembly of steel and aluminum structures, ISO standards, and 10-star after-sales services. Our products meet the highest international standards, including ASME, CE, CRN, and DOSH. With strong engineering and after-sales support, Longhua supplies advanced solutions to major Chinese firms such as PetroChina, Sinopec, CNOOC, Sinochem, and CHN Energy. We also provide equipment and technical services to global giants such as BASF, Samsung, and Saudi Aramco. We've built strategic partnerships with hundreds of renowned companies worldwide, and our products are exported to over 150 countries and regions, a testament to the trust and recognition of global clients. Longhua has refined its expertise for 30 years. Offering heat transfer solutions for various applications, we empower industries worldwide to boost efficiency and build a sustainable future.